Hello friends, are you facing constant issues with your career progression? Either companies are rejecting you or you are not getting desired roles and promotions as per your expectations. Because of this situation, you are feeling stressed and your personal and professional life is badly impacted. So, the solution is very simple. We at Unbox Skill will provide you an opportunity to learn many courses like MS Excel, PowerPoint, and many new age courses like Power BI, RBA, and Six Sigma. We also help you in creating your world-class resume and help you to develop your personality to crack the interview the way you want. So don't be late because we have very limited seats in every batch. So hurry up and get registered yourself with the link below. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.